This is a 2017 Chevrolet Sonic Premier. It has a little over, well, it has 58,700 and something miles on it. Bluetooth connection, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, remote trunk release, which is not really that big of a deal. Keyless start. Having the keys in your pocket, you can push the buttons on the door. You'll see them on the handles. That'll unlock and lock the car. Tinted windows, as you can see. Child safety locks. Satellite radio, remote engine start, which is kind of cool on those hot days if you want to put your key fob out the window before walking out of your house and have the car start up and be cool by the time you get out to it. Brake assistant, just Wi-Fi hotspot, all of those sort of things. It's got the Sonic Turbo badging on it, as you can see. Pretty decent sized trunk for a car this size. These are, in the compact category, rated to get 27 in the city and 36 on the highway, with its 4-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, and 6-speed automatic. It's in really great shape. As you can see, it looks like new. The seats look like leather, but I don't think that they're actual leather. More like a kind of a synthetic. This is the example of the car locking and unlocking with the button on the door, as mentioned. If you would like to obtain financing for this vehicle, go to our website, westmitsubishi.com. We have a credit application on there. You can fill that out. By the time that you're finished filling it out, it will tell you if you're approved or not. We don't care if you've got good credit or bad credit or none at all. We specialize in getting almost everyone approved. So check that out, fill that out. Don't be embarrassed if you need a bad credit auto loan. We kind of specialize in such things. Also check out our Google reviews. We've had more than 1,270 of our former customers who have left us a review. Former and existing customers, don't want to just call them former customers because we have a lot of repeat. Anyway, we've got a 4.9 out of 5. Here's how you spell West Mitsubishi, our website, westmitsubishi.com. But check out those reviews. We've got great reviews, 4.9 out of 5, which is higher than any other dealer in this area. That's because we treat people really well. So do all that, then come on in and see us. We think you'll be happy that you made the choice. And if you're wondering, this was out at Black Butte Lake where this was filmed. Beautiful place to go and visit if you're ever in the Orland area. We hope to see you soon.